Each drop holds yesterday's dream. Before the elves wake, the forest already knows their names.
Sweetness earned is sweetness remembered.
Some recipes are older than the oldest oak.
Not a drop is wasted. That's the first rule of the village.
The best meal is the one shared in silence, except for the fireflies' song.
Every return is a small victory against the dark.
She writes down today's dewdrop count. Tomorrow, the forest will give more. Or maybe she never slept at all. Watch again. The dewdrops change. Even elves borrow silence from the afternoon. One spider's morning gift becomes a village's winter blanket.
They don't know it yet, but they're catching memories, not bugs. Rain in the village isn't trouble. It's the sky sent.
Every leak is a reason to work together. Every patch, a promise.
Patience is the secret ingredient. The elves learned it from the trees. They don't chase rainbows. They drink them.
The story tonight is about the first dewdrop. No one agrees on the ending. That's why they tell it again.
This blanket was started the night the last elder disappeared. The pattern is still moving.
It's not unfinished. It's waiting for someone to watch. She went down alone. She came back. Not alone. Look closer. Every morning, the forest whispers the same thing. Wake up, cute Babu. Today is a gift.